Here is the list of the top 10 haunted places of Nepal. Scary Raniban. Raniban is a village which is located in Acham district in Seti zone of West Nepal. This place is very famous for its beauty, scenery and stunning views. People visit here mostly to see the pleasing mountains, sunrise and sunset. The place was named Raniban on the basis of the beautiful forest present there, where Queen uses to spend her time during good old days. Along with attractive side, this place has some dark side as well. That is, this place is also famous as the haunted place of Nepal. Nobody dares to visit the jungle of Raniban at the night time. It is said that some unusual sounds are heard during the night time. Some local people over there say that they frequently hear women crying, but they find nothing when they go and watch. Most of them assume that this usual happening might be related to the previous incident. That is, a girl was raped and murdered there according to the police. And the shocking part is that the murderer was found hanged on the tree of the Raniban forest after 2 days of the incident, which is really hard to believe but is true. The water tank of Thapasi. Another haunted place in Nepal where people hardly visit is the water tank of Thapasi. The place is situated in Thapasi, Vasundhara. The tank is used to store water for the local people around here. Since the place is haunted, no one dares to go nearby the tank during the night time because they believe that the spirit of a man walks around the tank at night. A lot of people claim that they have seen a man roaming around the tank during the night, due to which people think twice before going there even during the daytime. People say that this might be related to the previous incident. According to the people around there, a man was beaten and killed badly. It is said that at first he was robbed and was beaten so hard until he was unconscious, and then he was thrown into the tank full of water and locked by the robbers. We all can barely imagine how it would feel to get locked inside the tank full of water. People think that the spirit of the same man roams around the tank during the night. Devghat in Chitwan. Devghat is one of the most famous cultural and religious centers in Nepal. This town is located on the side of Seti Gandaki and Krishna Gandaki rivers. The place is also regarded as the holiest place for Hindu religion people. The strange thing about this place is the skull of a person was found in this place on 12th July 2009 by police. By local people, it is said that close to the bank of the river, 4-5 old ladies come and begins to move by lighting fire in their body. Many people are the evidence for it, and they say that this paranormal activity still takes place sometimes. No one knows who those ladies are and why they dance at the midnight nearby the river. This is a big mystery for all local people. Due to these reasons, this place is regarded as one of the haunted places in Nepal. Mount Everest. The tallest mountain in the world, Mount Everest is located in the Himalayan areas of Nepal. Every year, many tourists visit Nepal to see and climb the Mount Everest, which is also called Sagarmatha in Nepali language. Since Mount Everest is the tallest among the mountains, it is not that easy to climb at the top of it. Many people try to get up to the top, but only a few people get success, and some people get back to the base camp and many of them die. It is said that this mountain is haunted by the ghost climber Andrew Irwin. He was a climber who died during his attempt to reach the top back in 1924. Many of the climbers who have visited around there have said that they have seen the spirit of Andrew, which is pretty hard to believe. Local people say that the spirit of Andrew tries to give confidence to the climbers, which is maybe because he could not make it to the top in his real life. Due to the cause of such incident, people say that the Mount Everest is haunted by the spirit of Andrew. So this comes on the list of haunted places in Nepal. Royal Palace of Nepal. On 1st June 2001, the Nepalese royal massacre occurred on the ground of Narayaniti Royal Palace, which was the residence of the Nepalese monarchy. Altogether, about 10 family members were killed during that incident, including King Birendra and Queen Aishwarya. After this brutal massacre, many people living near the royal palace reported many incidents of shouting, cries and gun noise from a dark place of the palace. People around here assume that the noise is made by the spirit of the royal family who died on the night of the massacre. Considering the report of many people, later on, King Gyanendra performed a lot of religious rituals to stop those paranormal activities. Today the palace is opened as museum for local people and tourists. The reason behind the murder and what actually happened that night is still a big mystery for all Nepalese people. Muglin Narayan Ghat Road. Traveling is one of the favorite hobbies of most of the human being. Traveling far away from home to new places is an exciting journey. Doing it at night is much more adventurous and fun as compared to traveling in the daytime. But sometimes this journey of traveling could turn into a nightmare as well. During the old days, people used to say that the feeling of traveling on the road of Muglin to Narayan Ghat was not less than living a bad scary dream. Multiple people have said that they have seen some weird things and have faced different paranormal activities while traveling through Muglin Narayan Ghat road during night time. Everyone says that traveling through this road during the night by walking could be very dangerous. That is why nobody does that. But these days, the traffic light at night is so used that people rarely get into such trouble. But still, this place could be a real danger during the midnight. Bank of Sundarijal. The place named Sundarijal is located at 15 km northeast of Nepal's capital city, Kathmandu. This place is very famous among the people since this is the place from where drinking water is supplied to all the places of Kathmandu. Along with its impressive facts, it has some dark sides as well. Every year, many people die here with different incidents like while swimming or due to accidental fall from the top. Local people around here say that the river of Sundarijal takes few lives of human every single year, which is pretty strange. And another thing is, according to the local people, the forest of Sundarijal is pretty dangerous to visit during the night. They believe that the spirit of a lot of people who dies there every year roam around the jungle during the night time. This kind of belief of local people around here is quite strange and mysterious. East-West Highway. The East-West Highway is built across the Tarai geographical area, from Mechi in the east to Bhimdatta in the west. It is also known as the longest highway of Nepal. There comes a lot of dense forest on its midway. That midway of East-West Highway where the dense forest appears can also be listed on the list of haunted places of Nepal. Many of the travelers who have traveled through this section say that they have noticed some paranormal activities in the jungle. Travelers say that they hear the scary noise and crying of women coming inside from the jungle. Local people who live around here say that they hear the sound more during the night time, due to which this place is pretty scary to travel during the night time. Some people believe that there are some evil spirits inside the jungle, but nobody knows about it, and still nobody has ever tried to go inside that thick jungle during the night. Aryaghat Pasupatinath Temple. Pasupatinath Temple is one of the most famous and historical places for Hindu people, which is located on the bank of the Bagmati River in the eastern part of Kathmandu Valley, the capital city of Nepal. The temple also falls on the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites since 1979. Here, dead people are burned on the bank of the Bagmati River following the certain rituals. There is a separate place called Aryaghat inside the forest of Pasupatinath Temple. This is the place where dead people are buried. Since the place Aryaghat is the home of the dead bodies, people say that whoever visits the place during the night can hear the voices of spirits of dead people. Other than the workers, only a few people visit there with the threat in their heart. Building to the side of New Road Gate. It is really hard to believe, but the people who live around the street of the New Road says that one of the houses of the main street of the New Road gate is haunted by the ghost. There are rumors that the building to the side of the New Road gate is haunted and nobody actually stays there during nights. Local people say that they usually see the image of ghost one of the windows of the house and hears a lot of strange noises coming inside from the building. They say that they found nothing inside the empty floor of the house during the daytime, but nobody has shown the bravery of getting into the building during the night time. At present, the uppers of the floors of the building are totally empty, whereas there is still a watchshop on the ground floor. Since the people are very scared of the building, it can also be referred as one of the haunted places in Nepal.